Have you guys ever sat down to do a makeup tutorial? You're going for one look and then you end up with something different? Well, that's me today. I wanted a simple, natural makeup look. I didn't want anything that was too made up, but I feel like I'm made up. I'm having lunch and probably going to a couple of stores with some college girlfriends. So I really didn't want to be too made up today, but then I end up being made up. So here we go. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I have on. I have on this sweater that I actually got from Kohl's, and I love the sweater. My daughter doesn't like it. She said I look like a glow stick. And then I have on these pants that I got from New York & Company. They're high-waisted fit skinny jeans, and I'm all standing up. And I just realized if I stand up too high, I'm gonna get my head chopped off by the ceiling fan. But anyway, so I just kind of wanted to be casual, cool today. So that's why I was going for that no makeup kind of look today, but then I have on makeup. So I guess it doesn't really matter. But anyway, so this is my makeup look for today. And today is December the 14th. Guys, this month is going by extremely fast. Oh my gosh, it's going by. Like, it's going by. So anyway, yeah, so let's get into this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good morning, guys. So it is December 14th. Oh my gosh. It is 3 days before my little one's birthday. And it is 17 days before Amber's birthday. Wow. So I am sitting here about to get dressed. Today is Saturday, and I'm having spending some time with some college girlfriends. We haven't done that in, oh my gosh, what, 2 years. And I just want to sleep today. I want to sleep. I need to doctor on these dark spots right here. So I'm just going to moisturize my lips with my Laneige Peach Glowy Lip Balm. And I'm going to use my Versailles, I think that's how you pronounce that. This is the Unicorn Essence Drops. I'm going to pick up today, I'm going to pick up the Perfecting Blur one. I think it's like in a white or green container. Green. It's in a green container. I love the smell of this stuff. And I just put it all over my skin. I probably should pick up some more of those while I have a coupon. Because it'll be the springtime before I think they have another sale. So there's another pimple. Oh. Stress. So on top of that, I'm going to put my Tatcha. This is my the silk canvas. That's going to be my primer. This is a small one that I picked up. I'm just going to use it today. You know, like when you're younger and you're doing things to your skin, you don't think the fact that you're gonna get older and you wanna wear less makeup, so you should, which I always took care of my skin because I didn't start wearing makeup until much later in my life. Especially like the last, I would say, 5-6 years. I've worn more makeup in my entire life. I'm going to set my primer, just using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Today I really want a simple makeup look. I don't want anything that's heavy. I kind of just want a natural makeup look. Not much foundation at all. But I do want it to last all day. So I wasn't gonna shade in that much, but now I am. So last night I dreamed about Amber, and she had on black and white, and she had her hair like in these little curly, I call them ponytails, but it's how I used to wear her hair when she was younger, because she has like really like 3C, 3B hair, and it was really curly all over. And we were in kind of like a living room area, and I asked her how she got here, and she said one of the she said one of the others, and I was like, others? And she says I have to wait on them before I could leave. And I was like, okay. And so we were talking, and what she was referencing is that she had not gotten her wings, so she was learning how to fly, because in the dream she would kind of like go up, but she couldn't like move like around, but she can go up, like she can lift herself up off the ground. And I said, oh my, it's like when you start learning how to fly, you can go wherever you want. And she was like, yes. She was like, and I can come and see you anytime. I was like, oh, Amber. And I literally woke up. Well, when I woke up, I texted the dream to one of my friends, because we were just talking about Amber, and just like feeling her presence and so forth. And they were asking if did I feel her presence on Thursday when I was graduating, and I said I have felt her presence like all week. So whoever has been traveling with her to bring her to me, I so appreciate it. But anyway, so in my dream, I said, well, do you need some help? I said, I can help you learn how to fly. And I said, maybe that's what you need. Maybe you need mama to help you. And so, and I remember like picking her up like by the waist and elevating her up like in the air. And when I did this, her wings came open, and she was like flying around the room, and she was laughing and giggling like she normally would. And yeah, so all morning I've just been processing that dream, because I felt like last night my daughter got her, not her wings to fly, but I mean her angel. Like she didn't become an angel last night, but she actually got her. I helped her to learn how to fly. And she was going around the room, and whoever was with her, she kept singing, I got it now, look, I got it, I'm doing it, I don't need you. And I was like, oh my. And she was just going around the room, and she was just happy. And oh my gosh, she was so happy. But that was my dream last night. And she came back down, and we were like sitting and talking, and my mom was there, but I couldn't see my mom, but I could hear my mom's voice. And she was asking, she said, Rooney, you okay? Because we called Amber Rooney. And she was like, yes, Grammy. And yeah, so I don't know if my mom was the one that was bringing her, or who was it? But she kept saying, I got it now, I don't need you. And I woke up, and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, because I felt like at that point I was in my bed, and in my dream it was like there was a bed, and then there's a couch area, but it looked like we were in a living room. And so, and when I woke up, I raised up, and I looked at the foot of my bed, trying to see if there was like any signs that she was there, or she was in my room. And the way that I was dreaming it was because of her presence and what she was experiencing, if that makes sense. So yeah, that was my dream last night. And I was just like, oh, I hope my baby learned how to fly. But I just remember like picking her up. I hate when I do this. I picked her up by her waist and lifted her in the air, and all of a sudden like her wings came open and she was just flying around and giggling. Oh my gosh. You have to know, like when Amber would laugh, it was so infectious. Like she would get so tickled by herself that it was so funny. But that was my dream last night, or part of what I dreamed. So I had just went in my room to change earrings, and I have these trees in my room. They're artificial trees, and I have lights on them, and I've had those lights, it's like Christmas lights on these trees. And so yesterday I decided to cut them on, and I realized that one of the trees have like purplish lights on it, which is Amber's favorite color. And those lights been in that room probably six years maybe. Yeah. And it has purple lights. So maybe I illuminated my room last night for her visit. That was weird. That's weird. I just thought about that when I was in here. So anyway, I've set my face with my powder, so I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm not gonna put any falsies on today. I'm just going to do mascara. Yeah, and I'm gonna use the Voluminous Mascara by L'Oreal.